Hi, my name is Alejandro, and this is mission report number 5 concerning stars. Let's get right into it. So, the star I chose to focus upon is known as Vega. It is an A type star, and some fun facts about Vega off the get go are Vega at one point used to be our North Star many years ago in the early days, so probably AD, BC, around that time. It is located in the constellation Lyra at the very bottom tail end of it. Lyra is supposed to be the harp that Orpheus plays, Orpheus being from Greek mythology, and it is 17,000 degrees Fahrenheit, making it 7,000 degrees hotter than our sun in the solar system. Now, going on to the dominant elements that are found in Vega, it's estimated to be about 0.54 elements that are heavier than helium itself. And just like the sun, it converts hydrogen into helium through the process of nuclear fusion. Now, is it worth looking into? Is it worth looking into to see if it can support life itself? Well, this question is interesting, and I thought I would tie it into the last question of this project. I will be going back to this in a second. Now, is it capable of having rocky planets be around it? And I can get to the conclusion that no planets are spotted near Vega, and many researchers have been studying Vega itself, but no planets have come up. So I concluded that since no planets have been spotted near Vega, the answer is no, let alone any planet where rocky terrains would be found in general. Now, what kind of electromagnetic radiation is it emanating? It is, in fact, infrared radiation emanating from Vega. Now, the final question, which was if I would send a mission to this star itself, I came to the conclusion that since our sun, for example, is right here, and this is the Vega Star, it is twice as much mass as the sun that we have here in our solar system. Now, our sun here gives us life-giving light, and yes, Vega does give life-giving life. Heat, yes, the sun does give heat, but however, Vega, since it's a much larger mass, I think the heat would be too much for us to handle, and therefore I don't think that's a good idea. And lastly, energy. Yes, our sun gives us plenty of energy, but this Vega star, I think, would give us too much that we can handle. So, considering the only thing we have is that it gives off light, I don't think that this is a good idea to go and send our resources to go over there and see if we can sustain life over there. After all, we haven't found any planets out there, so I don't think it would be quite a good idea to spend resources on this. Finally, here are my sources, spelled with an extra